Why so serious?
Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be creating two masks, the updated skull mask and then the one you saw in the intro, the Joker mask. Both these masks are made from leather. The templates that we use to make them will be available on the website www.fellowmakers.com. And if you're familiar with the previous video that we did, we made this mask. The updated skull mask is just based on that. It just has a couple of differences. Has updated eyepieces. The shape of the eyes is slightly different than the shape of the jaw is slightly different. If you've purchased the original skull mask template, look out for an email with an update. Both these templates are available on the same file. Now, a couple of questions I've received is, how do you actually wear the mask and how do you attach it to your face? Now, what I do is I create some tabs that I put on the mask and then make the holes in there and tie either elastic or some leather that I've done on the Joker mask, which I'll show you now. But theoretically, you could just create a hole on either side and just tie your elastic or your leather onto there. Now, what I like to do is I like to have two, one that sits on top of your head and one that sits behind you, and that just makes the mask more comfortable to wear. On the Joker, you'll see I've just used some leather, and you can look it up on Google. I've used a fisherman's knot, which allows you to actually slide the leather and you're able to adjust the mask. All right, let's go for it. Okay, and there is your updated template. Now you'll see that it is slightly larger than the original one and it looks a little bit different. But it'll be the same concept. Once we build it, this will fold in underneath, same as in the previous video. Now, what I'll do is I'll include all the links to the previous videos, as I won't go into detail how to do the leather mask in this tutorial, but this is just to show how I update the template. Now, I will create this mask and we will see what it looks like at the end of the video. Okay, so I think that looks pretty cool. Next step, and I'm going to speed this all up, is to transfer this onto the leather. So I'm going to transfer the two templates that I've created now. The skull one and the Joker onto the leather, and we'll go from there. Okay, so using normal acrylic paints you can get from Walmart, I'm going to start off painting the masks. Now, I have two that I'm busy with. So I have a couple of elements. So what I want to try and do is to maximize the time that I'm using, I'm going to dry brush the same colors where I can. So I'm going to start off with the skull, and I'm going to use some gray. Now, if you feel that you've dry brushed too much while the paint's still wet, you can just rub it off. Next step, white. So there we go, guys. Skull mask. I glued in some fabric on the inside, just gives you the effect of the skull. If you're interested in more of an in-depth tutorial, please watch the samurai mask or the other skull mask video we did. There we go, pretty much in depth on how we do everything. If you've got any questions, give us a comment, send us an email. The templates are available online at photomakers.com. And I think they've come out pretty good. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. We appreciate the support. And until next time, see ya.